Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my studio. My name is Kitiya Palaskas. I am a craft-based designer, content creator, and author, and I'm here today to share with you some inspiring ideas and creative projects that you can make using the brand new Cricut Maker 3, now available at Spotlight, along with the brand new Explore 3 as well. So I love the Cricut Maker machines. I use mine literally every day in my craft-based design work. I love the versatility and the amount of tools and materials that you can use with them. So it goes without saying that I am super excited to test drive the Maker 3 with you today and to share with you some brand new features that I think you are going to love. So let's jump in and have a look. The Maker 3 itself comes in this beautiful new colour, and it can cut up to 2 times faster compared to the Cricut Explore Air 2 or the Cricut Maker. There's a brand new suite of smart materials, including smart vinyl, smart iron-on, and smart paper. With the Cricut Smart Materials, there is matless cutting, so the materials feed directly into the machine without having to use a mat. And when using smart materials, you can cut up to 3.6 meters at once, which is so handy for those long, continuous designs you want to cut. If you're wondering what to create with your Maker 3, here's an easy wearable project for you to try. This time using our Maker 3 with the new smart iron-on heat transfer vinyl to give an old pair of jeans a bit of a makeover. For this project, you'll need your Maker 3, smart iron-on vinyl in 2 colors, a Cricut weeding tool, an Easy Press Mini, scissors, and some baking paper. We're going to jump into Cricut Design Space and prepare our design. I've chosen a flower from the Cricut Access library, and I'm going to overlay a simple circle from the Shapes section and resize it to fit my flower. Next, I'm going to mirror my design. This is to make sure that when you iron it on, the design is the right way up. I'm then going to group these shapes together and duplicate them until I have the amount I want for my pair of jeans. Next, I'll hit Make and select the Smart Materials Matless Cutting option. We don't need to resize our sheet like we did in the previous project because we're going to be using the 2.7 meter long roll of Smart Iron-On to do a long cut. Once you've selected your materials, you can start cutting. Now that we have our shapes cut, I'm going to cut out each flower to make it easier for me to apply all over my jeans. Next, I'll use my Cricut weeding tool to carefully pull away the excess vinyl at a 45-degree angle, leaving just the shapes ready to iron on. I'm using the online Cricut heat guide to make sure I use the correct heat setting for my Easy Press Mini, my fabric, and my vinyl. A quick tip for layering iron-on vinyl: when you come to the second layer, place a piece of baking paper on top of your design to protect the layer below. So I hope you're inspired by all the different ways that you can use the brand new Cricut Maker 3 in your creative projects. Don't forget that you can pick up a Maker 3, the brand new Explore 3, and any of these new smart materials at your local Spotlight store. Have fun and happy crafting. Bye!